Hey, welcome back to DrinkinItIn. I wasn't going to do a video on this particular wine, which is gone. Given that I just did the Thanksgiving wine pairings that, for those who wanted to do something other than Pinot Noir, this guy got me thinking about this blend as a Thanksgiving wine as well. So this is the 2021 Chateau Moussard Jaune, young wine, and it is from the Bekaa Valley in Lebanon. And Chateau Moussard, I'm going to be doing a Vivino review video of one of their other bottlings soon. But this is a blend of 50% Cinsault, 35% Syrah, and 15% Cabernet Sauvignon. A bigger wine than some of the others in the previous video that I was talking about in terms of Pinot Noir alternatives. But if you're looking for a wine that is a little bigger, loaded with dark fruit, some earthiness, really delicious, and with some tannins, right? So there's some structure here. This is a really good option. We had this wine several years ago in a Greek restaurant, or actually technically it was probably a Lebanese restaurant in Cambridge. And we had a couple of glasses of this and it absolutely blew me away. Totally blew me away. Gorgeous layers, right? Blackberries, plums, some earth, some tree bark, right? Like really nice stuff. And then I bought a bottle of it and everything was kind of muted. I went back to it, this one again, and this guy was just, it was beautiful, right? I think this bottle was $21.99, so very reasonable. My wife loved it. And sometimes with her, if something gets too earthy, it turns her off. But this just had a little earth in it, but it was mostly fruit, so it was like a perfect blend. So I think if you're looking for a bigger wine, that's perfect for your Thanksgiving table. 2021 Chateau Moussard Jaune, a Cinsault, Syrah, and Cabernet Sauvignon blend. I'll show the back label there. Get my face out of the way. The label's more important. Just a beauty. And these wines are pretty well distributed, so I expect that you'll be able to find it. I am hopefully going to find another bottle because we're going to buy a couple more for here. Oh, and FYI, this was rated 91 points by me, DrinkinItIn. I forgot to do that as part of the original video, so I'm doing it now. I forgot to do it when I was filming the original video, so I'm doing it now. Thank you so much for joining. I will talk to you guys soon.